Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy JB and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be installing the Motoeye E6. So, if you're ready to become like Iron Man, let's get into the video. Alright guys, so welcome back. For this tutorial, we're going to be installing, like I said, the Motoeye E6. So what you're going to need is your helmet of choice. I am rocking the Ceviche Strata 2 Carbon for my main helmet. We're going to need the computer for the Motoeye E6 and the HUD itself for the helmet. I opted not to use the provided headphones and the provided mic because I'm going to be connecting my Cardo to the device. And you're going to need some alcohol and a towel. So let me change this to the overhead camera and then we're going to show you guys how to install this gorgeous device on your helmet. Alright, so welcome back. We have the overhead camera set up. First of all, we're gonna check to see if our clearance with the HUD and the helmet fits. So pretty much just center your helmet. I don't know if you can see that. Center the helmet to your thing and make sure that all of the tape is touching your helmet, which looks like this is. This one fits perfectly on my helmet, so I don't need to add extra Velcro, but we do need to prep the surface, so we're just going to spray some alcohol on this towel and make sure all the debris is off the helmet so we could do a nice clean bond. So it stays there. So what I like to do is pretty much take the item off the mounting first, and then actually no, not really. We can't do that right now. So what we're gonna do first is mount the device and make sure that it's centered and the camera is not hitting anything. And then once we figure it out, the center of the helmet, we're gonna take off the tape here, because you, my friend, even though how many times you wash your hands, have oily hands. So we're gonna line it up again, make sure it's in the middle, and then drop. All right, and then not press down all the way. We're going to take off the computer, and this is the part where you apply most of the pressure and hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. Alrighty. Make sure that it's properly secured to our back here. That looks good. And then we're going to leave that for 24 hours because we want to ensure that the double-sided tape does not come off while riding. And then now we're going to install our thing. And now we're going to install our HUD here. So I did opt to install the extender. What I did was pretty much mount it and see where I liked it, and then that's where we're gonna apply the alcohol and wipe the area down before applying the double-sided tape. Make sure everything is nice and clean and dry. Okay, so if I was to do this, I would also make sure your helmet is on and trying to see the correct positioning you would want your HUD to be at, and then applying the tape. So what we're gonna do is try it on and double check to see exactly where we want it. The whole side of the helmet where it reaches the end. So, okay, and then slide it to the end and then press down on it. Again, we're going to do this for 20 to 30 seconds and that should be good. Okay. And then we're going to route our wires inside. I'm not going to fully route it right now, but show you guys the gist here. Alright, so we're just going to connect it and make sure everything turns on. As you can see in the lighting, it does turn on. But I am going to wait 24 hours to ride in this thing and set it up fully because I want the double-sided tape to cure. As you can see, there is lighting that goes left to the right and the top one. I don't know if the bottom one lights up. But yeah. So that does it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching the installation of the Motoeye E6 to a helmet. And I will cover more videos regarding this HUD. So if you like the content, hit up that like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you know when a new video drops. And I'll see you guys in the next one. It's your boy JB, signing out. Peace.